You may think you're subscribed, but you may not actually be subscribed. Double check and hit subscribe now. Donald Trump is next asked by this reporter, holiday shoppers are really concerned about the prices. Donald Trump goes to this reporter, stop being dramatic. People don't feel that. Stop with the drama. Here, play this clip.
To the people, not to the insurance
companies. So
companies.
Now people are buying their holiday presents. They're planning
Look, don't be dramatic.
No.
Don't be dramatic.
They're planning their budgets for next year, Mr. President.
I know. And what I want to do.
Stop with the drama. What are you talking about? People are suffering right now. I know that you're building golden ballrooms for yourself and golden arches, and you're doing great Gatsby parties at Mar-a-Lago. But you know what? People are suffering right now. So how dare you? Then Donald Trump is asked by Politico, do you believe the second strike was necessary to kill the survivors on September 2nd of the first strike? By the way, I believe the entire operation is a war crime. And here's what Donald Trump says. Let's play this clip.
Have you watched the video?
We're stopping. I watched everything. Yeah, I watch everything. I see a lot of things.
And do you believe that second strike was necessary?
Well, it looked like they were trying to turn back over the boat, but I don't get involved in that. That's up to them.
Next, Donald Trump is asked by Politico if he can rule out a ground invasion of Venezuela or other places. And here's what he says. Here, play this clip.
Can you rule out an American ground invasion?
I don't want to rule in or out. I don't talk about it. Why would I talk to you, an extremely unfriendly publication, if you want to call it Politico, that got $8 million from Obama to keep it afloat? Why would I do that? Why would I talk about that to Politico? I mean, I'm doing this because you picked me as a man for Europe.
I'm asking for transparency for their American people, because a lot of folks are, people are wondering
I am the most transparent politician maybe in the world.
A lot of folks are wondering what our goals are in
Venezuela. But I don't want to talk to you about military strategy.
NATO, here, play this clip.
So how involved are you going to get? I mean, could we see you getting involved in European elections,
I want to run the United States. I don't want to run Europe. I'm involved in Europe very much.
Might you endorse
NATO
candidates?
calls me daddy.
Then Donald Trump just goes and starts attacking Zelensky. And Donald Trump says Zelensky just needs to start accepting that he's a loser and that he's losing and Ukraine will lose this thing. Just think about how traitorous and treasonous that scumbag is in the Oval Office right now. This just pisses me off. Here, play this clip.
If Zelensky rejects this deal, is there a timeline? Is there a point at which you say, okay.
Well, he's going to have to get on the ball and start accepting things. When you're losing, because you're losing.
Do you think Ukraine has lost this war?
Well, they've lost territory long before I got here. They lost a whole strip of seafront, big seafront. I mean, you look at the maps. I've been here for 10 months, but you go back 10 months and take a look. They lost that whole strip. It's now a bigger strip. It's a wider strip, but they lost a lot of land, and it's very good land, too, that they lost. You certainly wouldn't say it's a victory. I could show you a chart.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to tell you a big story from the United States. This story is from a famous USA media channel. They post a video that is now trending everywhere. The video shows former President Donald Trump in a morning interview. But the interview did not go well. It did not go normal. It went very, very wrong. People in America are shocked. People are talking about it on news channel, radio, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. In this video, I will explain you everything. So let's start. A simple interview turned into a problem. Trump woke up and went for a morning interview. His team thought it would be easy. They thought the questions would be normal. But the interview asked a question Trump did not like. The questions was about his action, his problems, and his past decision. Trump became upset. His face changed. He did not want to answer. The interviews asked again. Trump became angry. He started speaking loudly. He said the questions were wrong. The interview became a miss. The interviews became a mess. Why things got worse? The interviews continue asking hard questions. Trump did not want to answer them. He interrupted the interview. He talked over them. He said the media was unfair. The interviews stay claim, but Trump was not claim. People watching the interview felt the tension. Some were surprised, some were laughing, some were confused. Everyone agreed. This interview went out of control. US media reaction. After the interview ending, US media channels reacted quickly. CNN talked about it, MSNBC discussing it, Fox News analyzed it, YouTube creators made video about it, TikTok users made short clips. The trending headlines everywhere was Trump has tribal tribally mourning as interview goes off the rise release. Media experts say Trump looked angry and unpressured. Others said he looked stressed and nervous. But everyone said the moment was huge. What Trump supporters said, Trump supporters had a different view. They said the interviews was rude. They said the questions were too touch. They said the media hurts Trump. Supporters said Trump is strong. He fight back. He does not let reporters control him. This comment spread online. What Trump critics said. Trump critics thought the interview should Trump weakness. They said he cannot stay claim. He avoid direct questions. He blames others. He cannot handle pressure. They said this movement proves Trump should not lead again. This create this created a huge online fight between supporters and critics. The interviews become famous. The interviews become a new star. Many people pressed them. They said the interviews was claimed brave and professional. Even when Trump interrupted, even when Trump attacked him, even when Trump refused to answer, the interviews did not panic. They stay focused and strong. They stayed focused and strong. Many US media channels say the interview did not amazing job impact America politics. This interview is not just entertainment, it affects politics in the USA. Here is why Trump is running again. Every interview matter, every reaction matter, voter play, attentions, Democrats will use this clip to show Trump is unstable. Republican will use this clip to say Trump is attacked unfairly. Both sides will use this movement in the elections battle. Social media expose. Online platform went crazy. Twitter, media memes, TikTok mates, edits, Instagram share highlights, YouTube made analyze videos, YouTube's made analyze videos, Facebook had long debates. Some said this is Trump wrote interview. He looked angry, he looked confused. Others say this is why Trump is powerful. He stand up for himself. He did not fear the media. The internet become a war zone of opinions. Inside information, reporters say Trump team was unhappy. Some news sources say they expected soft questions. They tried to control the topic. They were again angry at the interviews they used behind the scenes. We don't know everything, but we know this. The situations were tensy. The stories say in the news. Days later, people are still talking about the interview. Experts are studying every moment. Body language professionals are explain Trump reactions. Political experts are talking about what it means for the election. These interviews become a big moment in USA politics. It will be remembered for a long time. Final thoughts. This situation shows how powerful media is in America. One interview can change everything. One bad moment become news everywhere. Trump expected a normal morning. Instead, he had a difficult one. The interview went wrong. It went viral. It became a national topic and it still continue to make headlines. Thank you for watching my video.